So today we're going to be doing a galaxy canvas, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I chose a rainbow of colors. You can choose any color that you want, but I'm just going to start by layering my canvas. So now that we have painted our canvas in our colors that we like, we're just gonna set this aside and let it dry. So now that we've had time to let our canvas dry, our next step is to apply a black layer right over the top. Now I know this looks scary because you're just covering what you created, but it will be a-okay. Once you get this all covered in black, you're gonna take your paper towel and lay it right over the top. You want your print side to go down on the wet paint. You're just gonna tap it gently all the way around. And then peel it off. You can crinkle this and just kind of blot around until that color comes through on your background to whichever creation that you like. You can add more color or take away more color if you want the background to show more. So I kind of like this. So now our next step is to take our white paint and splatter it to give it a starry effect. So I'm just gonna wet a small brush, not a lot, just enough to get it wet, and then put it in my white paint. Then I'm going to flick it right on top of my canvas. This is where you can get creative and add stars, you can add nebulas, anything that your heart desires. But once you get done, it should look a little bit like this. Okay, so we have our finished canvas. You can create this however you want. You can add nebulas, more stars. You can change the color of your background. It's really up to you. But if you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We do have new programs every week, so be sure and check back with us.